Hey, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. We are making over our pop-up camper, and today is wallpaper day. This is so cool. Log cabin, self-stick, vinyl wallpaper. We're working it in everywhere that we can. It's going really well. I wanted to show you a few tips and tricks and give you a snippet of what it's starting to look like. One of the things that I'm doing is matching up where the logs, it's like 18, 20 inches across. So we've got panels, panels, panels. So we're matching up where the logs are so that it doesn't look goofy. Also, if you happen to use this same stuff, it's really cool. Make sure you don't turn it upside down. If you've got different ways, you can tell.
Why?
Well, you've got the lighting. You can tell that the light spot is the light shining down, and this has shadow on it. You can just tell there's a light source coming from above.
Hits it from the top.
If you were to switch that around, it's pretty obvious, I think. So keep that in mind and work your way however you need to do. What I like to do is get it matched up and then work your way across, peel the back. You can either peel the backing off as you go, or you can peel the backing off the whole thing and just work it, pull it back up, work it again, and then smooth out any air bubbles with a putty knife or even a credit card, but you can just smooth it out and it works pretty well. You can use a razor blade or a pair of scissors to make your cuts. I'm really pleased with how this is turning out. One thing I'm doing to save a little on wallpaper is behind the couch area. I kind of eyeballed it and held it up, and I could tell that 3 logs worth was plenty to let the bottom would not show if there's cushion bottoms in here. So I've got 3 rows of logs going across my couch area. The reason I did that is because then I cut it in the exact same spot every time, and I had a lot less waste, because as you're trying to match things up, you end up having more waste. So that, I feel like, saved quite a bit of waste, and it looks pretty great. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Stay tuned, and let's put on some wallpaper. Okay, well, it is going well. It is looking awesome, but we run into a snafu, and part of that, I'm sure, is because it got really cold, negative wind chills, and then it's really warm, it's really cold, which I expected, and this is what happens. It's not sticking. So what our plan was, I planned for this. Any place that's having trouble is going to get some Gorilla Spray Adhesive Heavy Duty. This is what they recommended to me at Menards. If you have a better adhesive, let me know, because I'm packing this when we go on a trip. I'm expecting this might happen. I'm just going to be prepared and re-stick it. All right, well, hopefully that'll do the trick. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned as we wrap up this camper makeover adventure. We've been working on walls, floors, curtains. We're about to pull it all together, and I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned and check out our adventures, which are also coming up soon. Can't wait for camping season to start. Hey, drop us a comment where you guys are going, what you're looking forward to this camping season, and happy camping.